Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to find someone on Twitter by contacts. Go on your profile section on your left upper side and then select the followers section that you have followers on your profile. As you can see here, there are my followers, but I need to scroll and go on the right side that on the plus icon, and after that here are suggested for me for following, but I will go up and I will go just on get started. After that it will connect my address book to find people many on how. As you can see on the first side I have science contact. Go and click on it, go allow, and now guys, with that you can find someone on Twitter by contacts. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems, comment down below in the sections. Thanks guys for watching again. See you soon.